My Frigidaire Energy Star freezer, model LFFH20F3QWC is not working. Everything was fine 2 nights ago. Yesterday everything started to thaw. Removed everything to another freezer. Light is on when I open it. I think is the compressor, and if so I need an estimate of repair as I am retired on a fixed income and budget. Help please.
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
4 or 5 years old, cannot purchase papers. Model LFFH20F3QWC, SEER WB 50,752,924.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Never did this type of repair, would need guidance.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, it was working fine on Monday, not working on Wednesday. Has power as light comes on.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, please ignore IT. Can you tell me if in fact the compressor is running or not? And to answer your question, it will depend upon your local labor and service call rates. But to remove the Freon, replace the compressor and filter dryer, and to recharge the Freon system, the average parts and labor would start around $500 and go to as much as $800.
The compressor is not running. Only the light is working. I felt the compressor and it is cold.
Is the fan in the freezer running at all? If not, then you would not have a compressor issue. Have you manually advanced the defrost timer in the rear to see if the unit is stuck in a defrost mode, to see if the fan in the freezer and the compressor will come on?
No, the fan is not running, only the lights. I found the dial at the back of the freezer. I turned it off, then onto a setting. I am going downstairs where the freezer is located and look again. Just looked inside the freezer. No noise at all, just the light coming on. I also moved the cold setting knob to off, then on to the highest setting. Still no noise at all.
No, the defrost timer is on the rear exterior of the unit, not in the rear inside the unit.
What does it look like? Is it near the compressor?
The defrost timer is item 23 in this parts image. https://www.partadvantage.com/diagram/1/255/0000296/680/900.
I see the item. I did see it when I looked yesterday underneath the freezer. I'm going to move the freezer so that I can get to this part. I will let you know when I am done, as this will take me some time. I found it and moved the knob until it clicked. Nothing happened. I tried again until it clicked and still no results. No noise at all in the freezer.
No problem, you should just have to turn it, say a 1/8 of a turn, if it is in fact stuck in defrost, for it to advance out of defrost mode. And if it does in fact start up and then begin to cool down, you will have to replace the timer itself. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
I am a little confused. Please clarify for stupid me. I turned the knob and nothing has happened. This indicated that this defrost part needs to be replaced. Am I correct?
Yes, that is correct. The timer needs to be replaced.
Thank you. You have been a great help. It looks all that needs to be done to replace is removing the wires and unscrewing it from the base. Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance.
Thank you.
No problem, glad to assist you anytime. Woody.
I just did click here for the part, but the only thing I got was a blank page. I order this part? Thanks. Typed wrong. Should ask how do I order this part from where you suggested.
Let me send it to you again. Click here.
I got to the site. The item shown does not look like what I saw under my freezer. Do I need to enter model number, make, etc.? The site was not that clear and I do not to mess up.
No, the look of the part may have changed over the years, but that is the correct replacement part for the model number you have given.
Thanks. The model taken from the freezer was LFFH20F3QWC. Is this what I gave you? Just double checking for an old man.
LFFH20F3QWC is what you gave me, and that is what you just sent also. So it may look different, may even be made by a different company than the original part, but T is the correct replacement.
At the site, I put in the model number. The picture of the freeze was of a chest freezer and I have an upright freezer. Does this make any difference?
I do not know what site you put the information in, but on the site I use it shows it as an upright freezer, and that is the same site that I sent you the parts image from, which was of an upright model, and that is where I get the parts info from.
The site that you linked gave me shows www.repairclinic.com/part details/defrost timer.
Yes, it is the defrost timer that you need to replace. I do not understand what you're having an issue with. The link is for the part you need to order and replace on your upright freezer to make the unit run.
Okay, just wanted to make sure. I greatly appreciate your knowledge and helping me.
Okay, no problem. I understand. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.